All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like I said, do well to subscribe on, turn on the notification, and that's all. All right, so this session here, we'll be talking about some fundamental, some basic information about the Forex market. I mean, you should know what you're about going into. All right, so these are table of contents of what we're going to be dissecting in this episode. I promise not to be wasting your time, and I've been teaching. I've taught a couple of persons, so I've understood how this teaching of a thing works. It's not about how length it is. So I'll do well to make sure this each session doesn't pass 10-15 minutes, maximum 15 minutes, maximum. All right, so table of content. Multiple asset class. What is Forex? What is traded in the Forex market? Categories of currency pair. What is ask and bid? What is spread? Forex broker, pips, prepared, loss size, leverage, margin. I will explain all of this to us. So I want you to do me a favor, get your writing material separately for this class, and get another material that you'll be using to do your assignments. I will be giving you assignment. Like I said, my Telegram group is already on my YouTube channel, on this channel. So you can join, so you can be dropping your assignments. I will respond to you. I will respond to you. Let's grow together this year. All right, moving forward. So what is traded? We have multiple assets classes. We have Forex, we have stock, we have commodities, we have energy, we have indices, we have cryptos. But yeah, focus mainly on Forex. Forex is where we have the currency pairs. It's for stock, you know what stock are, the Nvidia and the rest of them, blah blah blah, energy, indices, crypto. These are all multiple asset anyone can trade. Still in the Forex market. Yeah, still in the Forex market. So number one assignment, I want you to give me different currencies in the Forex, different pairs in the stock, commodities, the different pairs they trade there, energy, indices, and crypto. Yeah, so I would like you to summarize that and drop on the comment section also. So moving forward, what is Forex? Now, Forex is an abbreviation of foreign exchange. Yeah, abbreviation of foreign exchange. In other words, in the entire globe, if I'm not making mistake here, trade um Forex. Yeah, they trade Forex. So the largest financial market that it is the largest financial market that averages over $6 trillion in the trading volume daily. Yeah, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. There's no physical location. Trading is conducted through electronic communication network known as ECNX in various markets across the globe. Whichever country you're watching from, same thing, right? I know it's well understood. Moving forward, what is traded in the forex market? These are the pairs we trade in the forex market. Trade the USD, the euro, the pound, the Switzerland, British AUD, Canadian dollar, ZD, GPY, right? These are what we trade. Moving forward. All right, so now don't worry, you understand. As we proceed, you understand all of this. So we have the base currency and we have the counter currency. They have a body that that arranges all of this. So don't need to break your head. Just know this is this. I mean, when you're counting one, two, three, start from one, two. Who told you that one must come first? I mean, come on, just grow up into it or grew up into it. So the base currency is always the first, and the counter currency is always the second, right? So just know it like that. Just know it like that. All right. So let me shows something. Looking at our pair here, this is GBP USD, so which is base currency and which is the code currency. Of course, pounds is the code, the base currency, and USD is the code currency, right? And we also have USD GPY, right? USD GPY. So which one here in USD GPY? Which one is the code and which one is the currency? Drop it on the comment section. All right. My class is interacting. I like it being interacting. So you flow with me, right? Right. So moving forward, yeah, I believe you understand all of this. So categories of currency pair, we have major currency pairs, we have minor currency pairs, we have exotic. Yeah, it's necessary to know all of this. But even if you don't know them, you can analyze and trade. Right. So moving forward, these are the major currency pairs. Eurozone, United States, Euro, these are the FS Greek, Euro dollar, pound dollar, that is this, dollar yen, dollar rooney, and all that. These are the major currency pair we trade. These are the major currency pair, right? Um, yeah. Remember when we started, I showed us something here, so it has been classified into all of this. So moving forward, these are the cross currency pairs. Don't break your head, cramming how they do this, just know it. Right? These are the major ones, these are the cross currency pairs. Don't just break your head. Right. Then exotic currency. These are exotic. I doubt if any of you might trade will trade this later on. So you focus mainly on this. Okay, moving forward. Let's talk about bid and ask price. Now, I mean, you can't be a forex trader. I don't know all of this, so just bear with me. Now, the bid price is what the dealer is willing to pay for a currency, while the ask price is the rate at which a dealer will sell the same currency, right? Now, what is spread? What is spread? Spread is the difference between the ask price and the bid price. Don't worry, you see all of this once we go to the chart. Now spread is equal to ask minus bid, right? That is the spread. So the difference, if price ranging from 1 to 3 USD, and we have the ask and the bid in between 2 USD and 1 USD. So if you subtract the both of them, the spread will now be 1 USD. So that is what the broker will charge you. That's what the broker will be charging you for each trade you take, right? Moving forward, and now remember we talked about the base currency and the counter currency, right? Now the euro here is the base currency, while the USD is the counter currency. So beneath it, you're seeing the bid price and the ask price. Yes, and yeah, the difference between these two is known as pip. Pip, right? Time is measured in seconds, minutes, and the rest of it, right? So this is also the SI unit of forex. We measure in pips. If euro USD move from point A to point B, it is said to um it is said that it has moved from 1 to 2 pips, 3 to 5 pips. So that is the meaning of pips, right? Right? So more like SI unit. So the spread there will now be this minus this, right? That is why we are getting 2 pips. I will also show us how to calculate it. However, it's the same, pretty just subtract this from this, right? So the 1.10 is the same thing, 1.10. So in mathematics will cancel out. 53 minus 51, that is 2 pips, right? 2 pips. So the market has made 2 pips move, right, in this currency. All right, like I said, I wouldn't want each of our session to exceed 10 minutes, so you're able to take time and watch it over and over again to digest it. So on our next session, we'll proceed even better. Please, if you're enjoying it, which I know you are doing, turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and also share to your friends, enemies, and what have you. Thank you for joining us. My name is Brown. Good luck. See you in the next class.